nice Mifflin building. This seems a little excessive. We have 4 Schindler elevators for a building that is, I'm pretty sure it's like not even 10 floors. Look, it's got the engravings on the panel, kind of like they do in Boston, Massachusetts. Alright, got this one. Damn, these are fancy. Up to 10? Well, there are 12 floors. These are definitely early Schindlers. I'll have to see when this building was built. These are nice though. I really like the, oh yeah, these are Schindler. It's an ECI interlock. These are fancy. I like these. Before we go down, let's have a look. Schindler MT. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. They are geared. I'd say about 350. Yeah, these are really nice. This is a very fancy building. 4 elevators for 12 floors is crazy. Anyway, that's it.